Welcome to Jquery tutorial video. In this video I'm going to discuss about callback and chaining functionalities in Jquery. Okay, so let's see what is a callback function. A callback function executes after the current effect has finished. Okay, so what happens in our previous example, we had coded this where we were clicking on this sign and the board area was sliding up and down, and as well as the sign of this div was changing, you can see, but it changes as soon as I click on this div rather than waiting for animation to complete. Okay, even though the code for changing sliding the div is written above this, it doesn't wait because this waiting time is for animation. The execution time runs independently. So what we can do for these kind of functionalities, we can use callback functions. So just after comma you have to write the code that you want to execute after this animation finishes. Okay, so now it should work. No, it hasn't worked. Okay, because we were using this in our earlier example and it was referencing show control. Now this function is actually taking reference of board area, so it won't work as expected. So let's replace this keyword with this ID selector. Okay, so show control is the div which was containing this sign, and board area is the area where animation would take place. But we want to change the sign in show control div only when the animation has completed. So this is written in callback function. Now it should work as expected. So you can see it's sliding up and then the sign has changed. Okay. Now let's see the chaining. The chaining allows us to run multiple jQuery methods on a single element. Sometimes we want to apply more than one effects on same element, say this board area element, then we can do this. Okay, so let's see, let's make it little simpler to understand. Let's remove this functionality for a while, and let's also change margin. So what we are doing, we want to slide toggle as well as animate it and change the margin. Okay, slide toggle may disappear it, so let's do fade to an opacity of 0.5. Okay, then it would be visible. Both of the effects would be visible. It hasn't worked. Let's see what wrong we did here. I forgot to put it inside this bracket. Save, refresh. You can see both the margin as well as the fading has applied on the same element. So it saves our effort. If we want to do multiple things on same selection, then we need not to write same selection again and again in separate statement. We can do it in chaining. readability, we can move it like this and it must work. See, it's still working. So chaining is another useful feature in jQuery, which helps us to code less and achieve more. Okay. So that's it for today's video, and do subscribe my channel. I'll be posting more videos in jQuery and other technologies on regular basis. Thank you so much for watching.